am what I am today, there are a lot of people behind that, and one of them is Manish. Because this journey of 16 years would have been incomplete without a man like him. And of course now...
So thank you, I should be saying, to Life for giving me this show and presenting it. I work really hard for my shows. I love them. I get stressed on them. I have my dearest Karina with me, my lucky mascot, a girl who I worked with so many years. I've seen her from the age of 9, and a Lakme girl.
Yeah, you were 9, I was this much. Huh?
Yeah, 9. Yeah. 9. So that means how old I am. And Arjun also, I have seen him when he was only 5 years old. And so thank you, Arjun, for doing this. And Arjun's one of those really sweet youngsters, cool guys who's so much into clothes and into his fit and particular. And so it's really nice. And this girl here is, the first time I met her was in Sri Lanka. No, she has already become a heroine. And I met her and I looked at her and I said, my God, you're so beautiful. Do you remember that? Yes. So thank you so much for being a muse to this collection. And we're doing a film together. It's coming this Friday, Key and Ka. So that's our trio. I rarely design for heroes, but this was a film I also designed for Arjun and of course Karina. And so that's why we are all here today to celebrate our show and to celebrate all these moments that probably never come back.
Yes. Thank you so much. I would now request Jacqueline to say a few words. You look gorgeous in this outfit.
I just have to say, Manish, you've dressed me for many occasions, and you are the one person that I come to when... Does this look funny that I'm holding this mic? No, but you're the one person that I come to when I know I just want to look my best and look my most glamorous and look like a princess. But I just have to say one thing. I think I've walked the ramp for you a couple of times, but today I've never felt more beautiful and more like a princess than today. So this was like by far the most amazing I've ever felt on the ramp. So thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Arjun and Karina, I would now request you guys to say.
Yeah. Arjun is going to talk for me, no?
No. You say what you want to say. Ladies first.
Ladies first, it's role reversal. So you
Gents first, yani I need to say it first. Okay. No, I think on behalf of the Hindi film industry, we would like to thank Manish for his immense contribution.
Dada sir.
Yeah, Dada Saheb Phalke Award dena chahenge aapko aaj. No, on a very serious note, I think I've grown up hearing one name synonymous with fashion, with clothes, with Indian cinema's clothes as well. And Manish has gone beyond all that, and today he's got an empire, and he stands as a brand, and I think that's amazing. I'm very, very happy to be working for him today. I actually didn't expect it. What he's saying is absolutely wrong. I'm only Sonam Kapoor's brother. I'm not so into fashion. That's my greatest achievement fashion-wise. Sonam is my sister. But I'm very, very happy to be walking the ramp, and I hope to do it many more times, Manish. Of course. Thank you so much. And now Karina would like to say a few words.
I don't know. I'm short of words because I think Manish to me is actually not just my brother. If there's any word that's more than that, that's what he is to me. The reason I am what I am today, there are a lot of people behind that, and one of them is Manish. Because this journey of 16 years would have been incomplete without a man like him. And of course now, today to be here and just, stand with you. Yes, I'm just a kebab mein haddi between Jacqueline and Arjun, but that's fine because I'm Arjun's key. And he has to do exactly as I say. So I'm very happy to be a part of this Lakme Fashion Week show. And I hope you guys enjoyed it.
ऐसी कबाब में हड्डी सब चाहेंगे ना पर सबसे जरूरी चीज जो मैं कहना चाहूंगा I would like to say please go and watch Key and Ka 1st of April at the theatre near you. That is very important.
Thank you so much, everyone.
So I want to also thank IMGR. I want to thank Life. I want to thank my dear friend Mrs. Neeta Ambani for always being there for me and supporting this show and presenting this show. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll now open the floor for questions.
Oh, we spoke too much.
One at a time, please.
Well, what do you think? Am I the kebab or the haddi?
Yes, next question, please.
Yeah, let her answer.
Well, I think since he was on the ramp, it's first time I'm seeing him. I think he did the catwalk quite well, Arjun. He was quite confident, and I think that's what I liked.
Fashion sense, let her comment. I don't understand fashion here. I look at comfort always, but I think she epitomizes the modern Indian woman. She can carry off a sari with equal elan. She can carry off the Western clothes that she wears all the time with equal elan. So I think she's truly an icon in terms of fashion, especially from our fraternity.
Well, tonight he looked quite hot.
Yeah.
But chivalrous.
Actually, no, but we actually were talking about. Oh, okay. We were actually talking about how I'm going to maneuver myself around Manish and Arjun. And so that was actually very spontaneous. I think they did it for themselves, you know.
वो actually मेरी favorite film है अंदाज अपना अपना. वो गोगो जी आपका घाघरा जो था ना, तो मैं इसीलिए.
We were trying to get into the picture.
ले लो mic. आप बहुत बता दियो mic के लिए आप ही रखो.
Thank you. Next question.
One sec. She has a question.
Yes.
Yeah. So this was Haute Couture Spring Summer, and elements is, for me, it's been nature. So inspiration's been nature, and it's been a lot of, so as you saw, birds and trees, the tree of life, and my muses. So this whole show is dedicated to beauty, to feeling good, to feeling inspired, to celebrating spring, summer, to the flow, and also I think it celebrates all the weddings to come, because I think summer weddings are very different. They have a lot of global influence. People are doing them in like their resort weddings, and people. So I think this whole collection is very focused on that, and yes, it celebrates spring, summer.
Thank you so much. That.
कुछ tips दीजिए.
Well, summer, I think whatever's cool and light, lots of whites and blues. जैसे अपने ramp पे भी देखा, there was a lot of off-whites with light blues, and like Manish said. So of course, I'll be wearing a lot of the clothes that were on the ramp.
Thank you so much, everyone. That's it. Thank you. That's it.
This night is about Jacqueline. This night is about Karina. This night about Arjun. This night about me.